Alright everybody, we're going to go for a ride in our 1955 Chevy Bel Air. Really nice car we got here. We got the black on black exterior with interior. Our little upgraded gauges in there working all fine. Got a little 2-knob radio here, new style with cassette for all you old timers out there. Really sweet car we got here. Drives smooth, acts smooth as it should. One of the nice things I liked about the Bel Air was that nice little hood ornament. You know, you can't really see it from here, but the Bel Air stands out as one of Chevy's oldest and finest cars that have ever standed through Chevy. But anyway, we're going to take her up the road here, even now with school coming out and all this traffic. Give you a little gas with this nice big block. Woo, that sounds good. Nothing beats a big block. Let's give you a little bit of a brake test. Our wheel is not turning. Yes, surely is a nice Chevy. But anyway, let's get her turned around up on the lift and let you guys take a look at the underneath. We'll see you there.